Hey, it's Nathaniel again, and today we have the privilege of showing you a 2018 Duffy Cuddy Cabin. Very, very well outfitted boat for all your bay cruising needs, located here at Lowe's in Coronado. Let's check it out. All right, let's start at the bow. Number one, check it out. We've got a Lewmar windlass up front. That is an electric windlass controlled at the helm. And a nice little Samson post there, but it's got a bit of chain on it, and you just hit the down button and there it goes. Note this beautiful blue hull, just buffed and polished. This is an upgrade option with these Duffys, and this one is in fantastic condition. As we come back, you see this this hatch. This hatch opens up, and below that is the cuddy cabin. Which has actually cushions to make a really big bed, like a V-berth, with over 6 foot length, so you can go down there and take a nap. The owner has also installed an electric toilet. That was a factory option, and though he hasn't used it, it does have an electric flush toilet with holding tank. Check out that blue canopy in fantastic condition. The boat has new Macrolon or hard polycarbonate covers for this port side. That one, it just gets the sun here where it's docked, and the other ones were in great condition. So new Macrolon on the port side. The rest is original, but that was made by I guess by the factory order directly from Duffy. So wonderful condition. There's the water fill and waste out, as you can see there, Duffy 22, and there she is, Huffy Puffy Coronado. There's your steaming light up there, nice American flag post, and then there's another hole there for the Duffy flag if you want to throw the Duffy flag up. It's got one of those included. Let's walk inside. And note this, we've got 2 movable tables. These things have a nice non-marring finish on the bottom, so we just slide these things around. There's the one big one and smaller one as well. So you might take one out, keep it in the garage, and just have one on here if that's your preference. This is a new Duffy, so it has the smart plug system. There's a cup holder. Let's take a look at this though. Whoa. Like I say, the polycarbonate is in fantastic condition. Zippers work nicely. Everything's in great shape. Over here on the port side, you have a drawer for gear, the original Duffy manual and all that, and a cabinet for whatever. And then here on this slide out one, you have a, well, it's really a wine holder. But you can put your cleaning supplies in there too if you want, like they did. VHF is included with the purchase. And let's check out the helm. Oh man, what a commanding position. Perfect 360-degree view, easy to maintain and see everything around you. It's got the InfoSpeed controller. This is a 48-volt system. The batteries from 2018 are in fantastic shape. Still hold a good charge. It's got a little Garmin here. Power that up, just a little nav. And then Fusion stereo, which you can connect to your Bluetooth and play your jams, and even custom installed here a cell phone holder. So you've got that as well. So nav lights, bilge pump, horn, and then there's your controls, floor lights, as well as a dome light up top. Man, and you can see just the stainless on this. Everything has been kept very, very clean and tidy. This white vinyl was a custom and upgraded option and is no longer available from Duffy. And it's in fantastic condition. Supple, soft. They always keep these covered, and it shows. All right. Thanks for taking a look with me at this Duffy 22 Cuddy cabin from 2018. She's in fantastic shape. Her slip at the lows is transferable to the right person. You gotta pass the application process, but it's not too hard. And please call me today. We'll get you in this boat. Look at this sweet boat cruising through the Cays. She's a beaut. Thanks for watching this video. If you're interested, please do give me a call at 619-313-3664. I can help you buy it.